Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: device power, network, and app access. Open the Play Store or sideload the TVS Connect APK. Install it. Once done, launch the app and sign in with your TVS account or create one quickly if needed. Make sure the Jupiter 113 is running the latest firmware so features match the app. Also grant camera, storage, and network permissions. Without them, the app cannot discover the device. Now proceed to pairing. That's the next step. You now pair the Jupiter 113 to the app. Tap Add Device, allow network scanning, and select the Jupiter when it appears. If it doesn't show, manually enter the device ID printed on the unit. Follow the Wi-Fi setup prompts, pick the network, enter password, and confirm connection. Choose 4 GHz if you need range or 5 GHz for speed. After connection, configure stream quality and notifications, set user access, and rename the device so you can find it later. This completes setup. Finish by testing live view, playback, and local recording. Start a short clip to confirm video and audio. Once verified, enable auto updates and cloud or local backups to preserve settings. If you need remote access, configure port forwarding or use the TVS relay service per prompts. If things go wrong, reboot the Jupiter 113 and the app, then check router firewall rules and network isolation. If the device still fails to appear, export logs from the app and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.